Welcome to Exam Rabbit Insights. Attention! Exam Rabbit Insights presents you the most repeated actual exam questions that every student must face in their actual exam. Exam Rabbit Insights guarantee 99% similarity of these questions appearing in actual exam. We are proud of our fantastic track record in helping students achieve top marks. Contact Exam Rabbit Help to get your exam done with guaranteed a plus score. We have a team of tutors and experts to assist you in bypassing your proctored softwares and acing your exam. In this video, we are presenting the most repeated ATIT's version 7 reading section actual exam questions with answers. Must watch all these questions to get ready to counter these questions in your exam. In 1943, the war in the Pacific raged on. First Lady Eleanor Roosevelt went to rally the troops in spirits, despite the disapproval of military command. Roosevelt planned a grueling itinerary. She visited several islands and hundreds of wounded in her first 6 days. The indefatigable First Lady inspected Navy hospitals, delivered a speech, attended receptions, and visited convalescing officers, all within 12 hours of her arrival. She lifted spirits among the wounded and morale among the troops. She continued her exhausting tour for a month, speaking to every patient in troop hospitals and taking down addresses to contact family members. Roosevelt traveled nonstop, risked her life, and greeted the last patient she saw with the same heartfelt sincerity as the first. Question number 1. Stimulus. 1 of 2. Which of the following conclusions can be drawn from the passage? Option A. Eleanor Roosevelt became First Lady before the war in the Pacific ended. Option B. Eleanor Roosevelt hand-wrote notes to every troop's family. Option C. Eleanor Roosevelt did not enjoy giving oral speeches to troops. Option D. Eleanor Roosevelt was present during most battles in Asia during WE. Explanation. Eleanor Roosevelt became First Lady before the war in the Pacific ended. Is the correct answer because the passage describes Eleanor Roosevelt's activities in 1943 during the war in the Pacific, indicating that she was already the First Lady before the war ended. Question number 2. Stimulus. 2 of 2. Which of the following publications would have a different point of view of Eleanor Roosevelt compared to the author's point of view? Option A. A newspaper dipping from the Honolulu Star Bulletin in 1944. Option B. A brochure about women's contributions to the U.S. war effort. Option C. A historical Japanese military document outlining how to damage enemy morale. Option D. A personal memoir from an injured naval officer who fought in the Pacific Theater. Explanation. A historical Japanese military document outlining how to damage enemy morale is the correct answer because a Japanese military document would likely have a negative view of Eleanor Roosevelt's efforts to boost American troop morale, contrasting with the positive perspective in the passage. Question number 3. Which of the following parts of a paragraph contains the main idea? Option A. Illustration. Option B. Thesis. Option C. Evidence. Option D. Transition. Explanation. Thesis is the correct answer because the thesis contains the main idea because it clearly states the primary point or argument that the paragraph will support and develop. Question number 4. JC, G-A-E-B-H. Copy the letter string above on a piece of paper. Cross out the first and last letters. Replace the letter B with the letter Q. Insert a U after each Q. Switch the first and last letters. Which of the following letter sequences remains on the page? Option A. C, K, G, A, Q, U, Q, U. Option B. Q, K, G, A, Q, U, C, J. Option C. U, K, G, Q, U, Q, C. Option D. H, C, K, G, A, Q, U, Q. Explanation. Hkaku is the correct answer because following the instructions. 1. Cross out the first J and last H letters. C gap. 2. Replace B with Q Sikegakyu. 3. Insert U after each Q Sikukuku. 4. Switch the first and last letters. Hkaku. Question number 5. Which of the following information sources contains copyright information for a given book? Option A. Title page. Option B. Index. Option C. Table of contents. Option D. Publication page. Explanation. Publication page is the correct answer because it typically contains the copyright information, including the copyright date, publisher details, and other legal notices for the book. Question number 6. Which of the following areas of a textbook includes supplemental materials and additional information to the text? Option A, glossary. Option B, bibliography. Option C, index. Option D, appendix. Explanation. Appendix is the correct answer because it includes supplemental materials and additional information that support the main text of the textbook. You might think the largest animal on Earth is the blue whale, and you would be correct. Blue whales can reach a length of 98 feet long and can weigh as much as 198 tons. However, in the Blue Mountains of eastern Oregon, there is an organism currently covering an area of 3 square miles and estimated to weigh at least 7,500 tons, the Armillaria ostoi fungus, also known as the honey mushroom or shoestring fungus. Though A. ostoi is found in other places, such as Michigan and Germany, only Oregon's fungus has grown to such an enormous size. The humongous fungus is estimated to be anywhere from 2,000 to 8,000 years old, and it continues to grow by 1 to 3 feet every year. Question number 7. Which of the following is the purpose of the passage? Option A, to entertain. Option B, to inform. Option C, to persuade. Option D, to describe. Explanation. To inform is the correct answer because the passage provides detailed information about Eleanor Roosevelt's activities and contributions during the war in the Pacific, focusing on facts and events to educate the reader. Question number 8. Stimulus. 2 of 2. Which of the following best describes the theme of the report? Option A, extraordinary natural phenomena. Option B, nature as beauty. Option C, hierarchy in nature. Option D, humankind versus nature. Explanation. Extraordinary natural phenomena is the correct answer because the report focuses on the extraordinary size and growth of the Armillaria ostoi fungus, highlighting it as a remarkable natural phenomenon. Beard superiority. Unlike most others who follow along with popular trends, I am able to truly see that the beard is superior to the mustache. First, you have so much more hair and space to work with when styling a beard than you do with a mustache. You can trim and cut a beard into so many styles: the mutton chop, the goatee, the stubble, the chin strap. You can even add things to your beard: braids, beads, glitter, and color. The possibilities of what you can add to a beard are endless. There even are professional competitions that surround the stylish nature of beards. Question number 9. Stimulus. 1 of 2. Which of the following can be inferred from evidence given in the passage? Option A, the writer enjoys having a beard. Option B, no competitions exist for the best mustache. Option C, the writer is a professional barber. Option D, mustaches cannot easily be styled. Explanation. Mustaches cannot easily be styled is the correct answer because the passage mentions that beards provide more hair and space for styling than mustaches, suggesting that mustaches are not as easily styled. Question number 10. Stimulus. 2 of 2. Which of the following is a counterclaim to the argument in the passage? Option A, beards may be a hazard in professional lines of employment. Option B, you should grow a beard because they come in a variety of styles. Option C, the beard is not just a passing trend. Option D, if you have a beard, you can dye it pink. Explanation. Beards may be a hazard in professional lines of employment is the correct answer because this answer presents a counterargument by suggesting a potential disadvantage of having a beard, which challenges the positive claims made in the passage.